Good day to everybody. This is Group 1 from 11 Prudence, and our topic for today is operation on functions. What is an operation on functions, you ask? Well, it is a function with overlapping domains that can either be added, subtracted, multiplied, and/or divided. This process is applied to perform the given equations. For the first example, the first operation on functions is the sum of two functions wherein the given two functions is defined by the equation as n plus n. Let's give it a try finding the sum of the given functions below. In finding the sum of two functions, we must write first the equation based on the given function. For number 1, f plus g. So the value of f is 9x minus 1 plus the value of g, which is 3x plus 5. Combine the like terms and then you get 12x plus 4. For number 2, we are to add g plus p. Value of g, which is 3x plus 5, added to value of p, which is x squared plus 4x plus 2. Combine the like terms and then we get x squared plus 7x plus 7. Next, we move on to the second operation on functions, which is subtraction, or the difference of two functions. It is defined by the equation of the difference of the given two functions. For our number 1, we have h minus g. Now we write the values of h and minus the values of g inside the parentheses. Now we remove the parentheses and change the signs inside, and then follow to combine the like terms. Now we get x squared minus 7x minus 1. Now for our example number 2, we have f minus g. Now again, we write the values of x minus g inside the parentheses, remove the parentheses, and then combine the like terms. We get 7x minus 6. The third operation on functions is the product of two functions, or it is called multiplication, wherein it is defined by the equation as the product of two functions like f times g. These are the given examples. For number 1, we have to find the product of m times r. Now, to find the product, we write them both inside parentheses, in which we will proceed to use the FOIL method. Following the rules of FOIL method, we need to distribute the values across the two equations in which we can get the final answer. Now, combining the like terms, we get x squared plus 9x minus 36. For number 2, we need to find the product of f times h. Applying the same rules for FOIL method, we write the equation down and then proceed to distribute and multiply the values inside the parentheses. And then after we multiply, we combine the like terms in which we get x cubed minus 4x squared minus 8x minus 24. And that is our answer. Another operation on functions is the quotient of two functions, or division, in which the equation is defined as the quotient of two given functions, which is f over g. For number 1, we are tasked to find the quotient of f over g. We substitute the values with the given functions from above. Now, since both values cannot be divided, that will be our final answer, which is 5x plus 11 over x squared minus 9. For number 2, we are to find the quotient of r over p. Substitute the values and then factor out the denominator. Cancel out x minus 3 from the numerator and denominator, and we are left with 1 over x minus 3. And for our final operation on functions, this is the product of a constant and a function wherein its equation is defined to be the product of a constant and the function. For number 1, we are to find the product of 8 multiplied by p. We write 8 and then p inside the parentheses, distribute the values, and then we get 8x squared plus 32x plus 32. For number 2, we have to solve for negative 6 times f. Again, substitute the values and distribute the constant. Then we get negative 48x plus 12. And that is our final answer. Thank you for watching, everybody. This is Group 1 from 11 Prudence. John Von Misael Sugano as our editor, Kayla Andrea Acop for our scriptwriter, and me, yours truly, Realison Madera, for the presenter. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead of you. Goodbye!